Warm good morning to all. Welcome you all to our online class. So in our previous class we were discussing about magnetic and non-magnetic materials. And with the help of an activity we learned what are magnetic and what are non-magnetic materials. Materials that attract towards the magnet are known as magnetic materials. And materials that do not attract towards the magnet, that is known as non-magnetic materials. I hope all of you have copied the notes in your notebook. Children, today we will discuss about attraction and repulsion between magnets. Let us understand this, what is attraction and what is repulsion. Now if you bring two magnets near each other, so if the unlike poles, unlike means different poles, so that may be south poles of one and the north pole of another. If they face each other, they tend to attract. As you can see here, they tend to attract each other. So they tend to come near each other. Whereas if the same pole, that is the like poles, are near, then they tend to repel each other. It means they tend to go away from each other, as you can see here. So south and north will always attract each other, whereas south and south will repel each other, north and north will repel each other. So something like this, north and north. So they will tend to go away from each other. Similarly, south and south, they will tend to go away from each other. But whenever it is north and south, what happens? They tend to come near each other. So that's about the attraction and repulsion between different poles of magnets. So this is a very important property of a magnet. It is very important to take proper care of magnets. Otherwise, magnets will lose its property. So, what is the most important property that magnet has? It has the ability to attract magnetic materials. So, we should take proper care of magnets. Otherwise, it will lose its magnetic properties. So it will no more called as a magnet. Magnets lose their properties if they are heated, hammered or dropped from some height. Also, magnets become weak if they are not stored properly. To keep them safe, bar magnets should be kept in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side. As you can see here, they must be separated by a piece of wood, while two pieces of soft iron should be placed across their ends. For horseshoe magnet, one should keep a piece of iron across the poles. Always keep the magnets away from mobiles, television, music system, CDs and computers. We discussed about attraction and repulsion, and we saw that like poles repel each other while opposite poles attract each other. Hope you all of you have understood that attraction and repulsion between magnets. Children, I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom. All of you please copy the notes in your notebook. And all of you please attend the test paper and post it. See you in the next class. Bye.